on, guys? It is your boy Sean Riley, man. I am back with another video. I know it's been a long time since you guys have seen me. There is a lot going on in my life right now, but I'm not gonna get into the details of it. Just know that it's good things ahead of me. In today's video, I just want to talk about the 90-day challenge that I'm actually doing. Okay, it's like Fat to Fit challenge. I mean, it's really good, and I wanted to let you guys know that I'll be blogging more and doing more of those kind of videos. I'm actually meal prepping this Saturday, I think, or maybe Sunday, but I wanted to give you guys some motivation, man, to go out and live the best life you can live. Okay, so definitely want you guys to stay tuned for those videos, man, coming out. But this video is just to give you guys a good challenge, man, for the summer, man. So from now to September, definitely try the Fat to Fit challenge. And it's a 90-day challenge, right? Where you literally meal prep, right? You go to the gym and you drink lots of water, okay? These three things, man, to get you guys shredded and lean for the summertime, man. And I'm definitely going to be doing some reviews for supplements too, if you guys are wondering about that. But I definitely want to give you guys some motivation, as I said, to keep grinding day in and day out, man. That is the way to live, man. Just keep grinding, man. But I am back in full effect on this channel right here, man. So if you don't know, definitely check me out on Instagram, because I will be uploading content on there also, man. But definitely, if you guys want to get into the Fat to Fit challenge, I will be making a Facebook group. So also follow me on Facebook, because I will be making that Facebook group instantly for you guys, so you guys can join that Facebook group and you guys can speak amongst yourselves. So definitely check that out, man. Another thing is that I'm definitely going to be doing lots more vlogging, going to the gym, just things that will help you guys, gives you guys motivation. Basically, that's all I want you guys to do, is stay motivated, man. 100% motivation, man. Whether you're working your 9 to 5, whether you're you're a YouTuber like me, whatever you're doing in life right now, I want you guys to get off the couch and go to the gym and get healthy, man. Eat healthy too, man. Definitely gonna help you guys feel better about yourself and boost your confidence. Okay, so this is a challenge for all, anybody's watching. 90-day challenge, guys. Follow me on Instagram. Submit your stuff to Instagram, actually, too. DM me on Instagram and let me know the things that I can do to help you or motivate you, so you can be better for yourself and for your family. Like I said, guys, I'm here to give you guys the biggest motivation of your life. So follow me on Instagram. That's the best source and best way you can actually talk to me, man, on Instagram. So I will have the link in the description, man, and also the link to my Facebook. So I'm gonna definitely give you guys an update and let you guys know what my meal plans are and what I'm trying to accomplish, because I'm trying to get shredded and lean before September, man. So August, I will definitely, hopefully I will meet my mark, okay, hopefully. But I'm going to stick to my diet and I'm going to stick to a lean body. That's what I want, for August. So definitely I will be vlogging, doing my workouts, definitely showing you guys the other side of being Fat to Fit, to give you guys a healthy way of living, man. So whether you're working that 9 to 5, whether you feel like you can't do nothing, I need you to get up off the couch, put down the potato chips, and go do what you need to do to get healthy, man. That is the best way to be living, man. And it gives you motivation. It gives you something that you can look forward to, and gives you that boost of energy. That way you can get things done outside of going to the gym. Okay, so that's definitely something that will help you guys achieve your goals. Okay, not just mine, your goals too. Okay, so definitely check it out. Link will be in the description for my Instagram and Facebook, guys. Wanted to give you guys the motivation that I never really had, but I'm here for you guys, so definitely check it out, man. Yeah.